Hello, Julie here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here and you enjoy my video, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. If you give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, that would be fantastic as well. Okay, so today I want to share a new digital that I've created, and I'm going to have a flip through here. Now this has got 37 pages. I've got 7 pages journal pages, 17 journal pages, 4 background papers and 16 pages of embellishments. So I'll just flip through them quickly. There's 2 different variations in this kit, but anyway, so this is one of our journal pages. I've printed borderless, so this is the full A4 size, and this is one of the background prints. Now I've made them fairly light because I'm going for a bit of a lighter touch to this one. So the backgrounds are nice and pale, just a little bit of something in the background that you can still write over without being distracted. So that's one. This one, page, I haven't got numbers, but this is another page, and that's got the same background paper on it. This is all over floral. So the colours for this one are the sort of rust and blue, or apricot and blue, or orange and blue. This is another background, so we've got a doily here, and we've got some coffee rings here, and just a bit of a creamy coloured background. Another big floral here, so when you fold this page in halves you end up with, you know, a nice design on each side, and that has once again got that ledger background. Here we have a big doily in the middle with a couple of little florals, so when you fold that you get a nice page. This one's got the doily background on it. This has got some doilies in the background, so 6 little doilies at the background over the top of the text and the florals. Oh, this is another background, so it's the ledger with the doily over the top. That's that one. We're getting a bit more grungy here. Got a bit of a heavier background on this one, and that's the journal with the big doily. Here we have just the florals down each side, so when we fold that over we've got a nice little border along the edge of the page, and then we've got the the doily in the background. This is another one of those grungy backgrounds, but with a heavier floral message there. Now these are just a page full of butterflies. You can use this as a page, or you can fussy cut the butterflies. I haven't printed the background on that because I plan on cutting the butterflies out. Now this is the other version of the kit. Like, they go together perfectly, but they're using the brown tones with the orange instead of the blue. So, and that's another background that goes that way up, of course. It's got the like basket weave, I guess you'd call it, and then the little bit of text over the top. So that's that one. So the pages from now on will all be with the browner flowers. Now this one's got a bit of blue in the background, so that's got that darker background print. Here we have another one. You can see the floral here. It's got browns and greys. I've got 2 there. These pages are printed on 110 GSM, just a little bit heavier for the journal. That one hasn't got a background print, I'll have to do that. This has got the 3 doilies across the top and then the florals down the bottom. This is the heavier background one with the 2 florals. That's the same as the blue one, except I've put the brown flowers there instead. Another brown one. So that's all of the pages, journal pages and backgrounds. Now I've got the embellishments. I've got 16 pages of embellishments, and I've printed these onto 250 GSM cardstock so that they've got a bit of weight to them, so that when you cut them out and assemble your embellishments, they can hold their own weight. Okay, so a file folder, another file folder, so 2 different file folders. They're a slightly different style. One's got the colour, one's not. We've got a page here that's got a small file folder there, a journaling card here and some labels there. I haven't printed anything on the back of these, they're just plain. These are some frames, so we've got some floral frames, some neutral frames and some frames with the brown florals on them. We have a sheet of index cards with the coloured florals and a sheet of index cards with the monotone florals. We have a couple of large journaling cards. You could of course cut these in half if you wanted to and just round the corners, and then you'd have some smaller ones. We have a large envelope here, and so there's a large envelope in the monotone and a large envelope in the floral. These are some little booklet covers, so they fold down the centre here and you just put your blank pages inside. They're like a tag shaped. We have some large monotone tags and some floral and a neutral monotone tags, large tags. We have a coin envelope here and some scalloped edges. We have a two small envelopes and a tag. A belly band. Now this, you cut this out and that's your base. You cut this strip out and you can either have it as another belly band over the top of that, or you can put it to the side and have it as a side pocket on the top of the belly band. And just a little tag. That tag could go in there. And the same thing here in the monotone. So we've got the wide piece that goes on, then this is a pocket or another belly band on top, and that little tag can go anywhere. So that's my journaling, my little digital kit for today. I am going to, this will be in my Etsy shop for sale, and my Ko-fi shop, so I'll put links to those in the description box below. And I will be using these to create a journal, so you'll see me use these over the next few weeks. Alright, well thank you for joining me once again. If you have enjoyed the video and you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, I'd really appreciate it. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back and watching my videos. Alright, until next time, bye.